Hey guys, and welcome back to the second video in our Python tutorial series. In the last video we downloaded Python, we opened the IDLE, and then we made this file. Now after that I have just saved my file, so as you see now it tells tutorial 2 instead of untitled. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You can head over to file. You don't need to head over to file. So if you want to save a file, you can go to files, go to save as, and you can save it wherever you want. I won't save it because I already have one over here. So let's get started with variables and data types. So what are data types? Now data types are there are 4 main data types. There are a few more, but these 4 are the main. We'll learn about the others afterwards. So the first one is string. Many of you will know this. Strings are just words or numbers inside quotation marks, and you cannot add string numbers together. They will show you, like, if I try to add 23 plus let's say 34, the answer should be actually 57, but it will give us the answer of 2 3 3 4. It will just join 23 and 3 4 together. So now, due to this topic heads us to integers. Now integers can be added, subtracted, and all that, and they'll give you the actual number. They can be of many types. They can even be negative. For positive, you can just type the number itself. Yeah, so that's integer. And then there is boolean. Now booleans are true and false. Now I can't really type, can I? So if you type them correctly, they will come in this yellow, color. If you're using my IDLE, it will come in the yellow color. I don't know what will it happen for PyCharm and other editors. So you should write the first letter of true and false capital and the rest small. So the last one is float. Floats are numbers with just decimal points, like this. So yeah, these are numbers. So let's start with variables. Now if you in math, you must have heard this in math, something about x, and then something like x equals 56 and all that stuff. In programming, you can assign x, y, any random word as a variable. Now if you want to define variable, you can just say variable is just a box that holds information. So data types are information and variables are boxes. So yeah, you can check them as that. Now I have put j equals 56. Now let's print j. Now you don't need to put quotation marks for this. You can just put j, and then let's run it. Now you see I have done nothing and this came. This is because I just pressed F5. So you can just go to run and run the module, and it will ask you source must be saved. Press OK to save. You have to press OK, and then the console window will pop up and it will show you the output. So as you saw, I had j that was equal to 56 and I printed j, so means I printed 56. So there you go, the correct answer we got. So you can play around with that if you want, but then I will head over to our first Python project. So now we'll assign x is 3, and one more thing, you can even print numbers like this, like 2 plus 3, fi, and there you go, it gave us the answer. So let's start with our real project. This is going to be our like first Python project or first Python application, whatever you want to say it. I'll keep x as my name, and let's put y as let's say is learning programming. Yeah, so let's print it. You can just put print and then type x comma y. Let's run it. There you go. Now Mrigank is learning programming. And let's just add a few more variables. Z equals to 23. Now t equals to 3. So let's head over and print and 23 minus 3. Let's do it fi, and there you go, you get 20. Now, so in today's video we learned about data types and variables, and we created our first program. So thanks for watching, guys, and please like and subscribe my channel and comment down below for suggestions for what should I post next, and see you in the next Python tutorial.